Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel. Nikita here. I make videos relating to lifestyle, personal and professional development. This video is my 2021 reflection and my intentions for 2022. Tell me, what do you plan to do with it? What do you plan to do with this one wild, precious life that you are blessed with? For me, this year will be a time of doing things intentionally, ensuring that the activities, things, people that I spend my time with truly are things that I want to do. I will be making a more concerted effort to spend time, energy, resources on things that I actually enjoy. I have really gotten better over time in regards to how I manage my finances, career and educational developments. But areas such as time management and what I focus on are things that I really need to take a stock of. Another thing for me, I realize is that I'm not as intentional with my consumption. I often purchase things that I do not need or do not even use. And this is something that I'm actively seeking to do better at. I am actively choosing to be more sustainable, more present, and just to focus on things that I really enjoy. For me, what this may look like on the day-to-day is making time to read, sitting down to enjoy my cup of tea that I absolutely love, spending time with my family, and for my family that's back home in Jamaica, calling, which is something I actively do. I talk to my mother a lot. Maybe I will need to cut some of those conversations a little bit shorter. But what it looks like for you will be different. We only have one life. None of us know when it will end. And I'm not here to be all doom and gloom, but I'm here to remind you that this is your journey. Take whatever steps you need to ensure that you are doing the things that you want to do. You are spending time with the people you want to spend time with. This journey is personal. Don't be afraid to make your journey your own. Questions I'm asking myself as I seek to be better. What are some things that I genuinely enjoy doing? What is something that I am doing a little too much of and is kind of a waste of time? I can answer this easily. Social media. Who are the people that genuinely make me smile? If I'm having a bad day and I reach out to them, I know I will end the conversation with a laugh. When is the last time I did something for myself, and how did that make me feel? I think oftentimes when we think about stuff like this, we think about the big picture, vacations, going there, doing this, buying that. But often some of my best experiences are very small. Playing with my nieces and nephews, going to the beach, laughing. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in good health. Go forth and prosper. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.